Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add 4 flyers on one page in Word. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step, you simply need to delete that. Okay, and then you need to go and click on Insert and select the text box and click on Simple Text Box, and here you need to drag that to the here, and then you need to arrange that like a flyer. Okay, and then you need to click on copy and come here and paste it, drag it to the, and you want to drag that, so this is another. So if you want, you can drag it to the well, and let me create another copy. Okay, and let me create another one. So these are 4 flyers. You can arrange them according to your choice. So this is a simple process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.